Your phone is an incredibly useful tool for international travel. But how do you ensure that you actually have service while abroad? I've tried just about every method under the sun, and in this video, I'm breaking down the 5 different ways you can stay connected while traveling internationally. Along the way, I'll share the best method that I have found to get unlimited data without spending a fortune. I'll give you a simple step-by-step walkthrough to prep your phone before your trip, and the one setting you must turn off, because the last time I forgot to do it, it cost me darn near $1,000. Let's dive in. So there are all sorts of ways to get service when traveling abroad, and I've used pretty much all of them. There's no wrong answer, there's just pros and cons to each. You could go Wi-Fi only. Basically, only use your phone when you have Wi-Fi, which is very cheap, it's free, but it's also pretty inconvenient and not as easy as it used to be. I think this method is fine, especially if you're traveling in a group and you're with someone else that has service. The next method is one that I used for years. You could just pay an extra fee with your home carrier for a travel pass. You pay like an extra 10 to 12 bucks per day. You get to keep using your phone just like normal, but there's a cap on the amount of data you can use, and then it gets throttled. I think this one might be fine if your trip is only a couple of days or if you just don't use that much data. Next, you could do what travelers have done for literally decades. Just buy a SIM card when you land. The downside of that is you're having to track down a SIM card, maybe navigate the language barrier, and you're wasting precious time that you could be spending just enjoying your trip. My preferred way, and I would argue the best mix of convenience and affordability, is using an eSIM. An eSIM, or embedded SIM, does essentially the same thing as that physical SIM card. It allows you to connect to cellular networks quickly and easily, but you don't need to take out or insert anything because it's virtual, which also means you don't have to go anywhere to buy one. You could simply buy a plan online, in most cases pay for exactly the number of days you need, and then when you land at your destination, you just hit the ground running. My preferred eSIM provider is Holafly, and I've partnered with them to bring you this video. Holafly offers eSIMs with unlimited data for over 200 destinations around the world. And in my opinion, it's the best mix of convenience, coverage, and affordability. When you compare it to something like the travel pass I was mentioning earlier, I'll give you an example. Let's say you were gonna take a 10-day trip traveling throughout Europe, and you're a Verizon wireless customer. 10 days with that travel pass will cost $120 US, and your data is gonna get throttled after a certain amount of use every single day. But using Holafly will run you just under $37. You'll get unlimited data and hotspotting if you need it. There's a number of apps that consume a ton of data. The number one app is actually the app that you're using right now, YouTube. Maybe that's not a surprise, but several travel apps specifically are major data hogs. Navigation apps like AllTrails and Google Maps use quite a bit of data. And then rideshare apps like Uber and Bolt use a lot as well. So the unlimited data thing is appealing to me, and I think it just gives peace of mind. My family and I are currently spending a month in Spain and Portugal. We've been here about 10 days now, and I've been using Holafly this entire time for navigation, to communicate with our host, and even hotspotting to my laptop when I need to get some work done. And it's just been easy. And for sure, it cost a little more than going and finding a SIM when we landed, but we had a bunch of flight delays getting here, and I was needing to talk with our host the moment we landed. We had to navigate our way to our apartment quickly to get our toddler down for a nap. So for me, the convenience has just been a no-brainer. So if you're in a similar boat and you want to use an eSIM, I'm gonna walk you through how to do that. But before you just go buy one, there's a couple of things you need to check first. One, is your phone eSIM compatible? If you have a newer phone, chances are the answer is yes, but Holafly has a huge list of compatible devices on their site. I'm showing them on the screen right now, and I've linked this resource below. 2, is your phone unlocked? If you bought your phone directly from the manufacturer, chances are it's unlocked. If you got your phone through a contract with your carrier, chances are you'll need to get your carrier to unlock it. Being locked essentially means it only works with your home carrier, and we want it to be able to work with other carriers. Okay, so we've got a compatible, unlocked phone. Now let's secure and install an eSIM. You want to do this before your trip. You'll go to holafly.com or download the Holafly app, then search for the country you need coverage for. Most destinations Holafly offers come with unlimited data, but not all. Some include tethering or hotspots, and some don't. Just read what's available, and in my experience, holafly.com will have more robust info on the technical specs of the specific plans, and if you want to do day-specific customization, that can only be done on holafly.com as well. You could also search by region. If you're doing any country hopping, for example, if you're taking a trip to Croatia, Slovenia, and Northern Italy, instead of buying plans for each of those places, consider just getting Holafly's Europe plan, which offers service in over 40 European countries. And before you check out, be sure to use the code AWAYTOGETHER to get an additional 5% off your purchase. Now let's talk through the installation process. Once you've checked out, you'll get an email with your new eSIM. And if you share your WhatsApp, Holafly will send it there too. You'll see your eSIM saved in the My eSIMs section of the Holafly app, which is what I personally recommend using for the install process. Choose the one you want to install, tap Install and Activate, and follow the steps. Now, depending on your phone model, the app may install your eSIM automatically, or you might need to go into your phone's cellular settings and either scan a QR code or enter a few activation details manually. Holafly is going to walk you through each step with clear instructions, and they've also got videos too if you get stuck. Once the eSIM is installed, there's just a few quick things to configure. First, label your new plan, and I would give it a name like Spain or Holafly so you can easily tell it apart from your regular line. Then turn the eSIM off until you land at your destination. You don't want it trying to connect prematurely. Just flip it off and keep it ready. Once you land at your destination, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to Settings and then Cellular. You'll turn on the Holafly eSIM. Set cellular data to Holafly. Turn on data roaming for Holafly. Then, very important, make sure that your home line has data roaming turned off. This is huge. I once forgot to do this before I even knew about Holafly, but I ended up coming home to a roaming bill from my home carrier that was just shy of $1,000. Don't be me. Now, for calls and messages, if you want to keep using your home number for iMessage and FaceTime, you can leave your primary line selected in those settings. It won't use data unless you allow it to. And if you want to receive SMS, like two-factor codes from banks, you can keep your home line turned on. Just make absolutely sure that data roaming and mobile data switching are both turned off for that line. Or you could just turn off cellular for your home line entirely, and then if you're ever in a situation where you need a two-factor code, you can just flip it on, get your code, and then turn it off. To double check all of that, you can go to Settings, Cellular, and then go to your primary line. You'll turn off data roaming, turn off allow mobile data switching. This makes sure that your phone doesn't sneakily start using your US data plan abroad. Final tip, for calling, just use apps like WhatsApp, FaceTime Audio, or Messenger, and let folks back home know that that's a good way to reach you. You're gonna be using your Holafly data anyways, and that's way easier than worrying about international voice rates. If there's anything that doesn't work right away, Holafly's app has troubleshooting tips, and you can also reach out to customer support directly through the app. Now, everything we just covered applies perfectly for single trips or occasional travel, and it's what my family and I do all the time. But what if you're someone who travels frequently, maybe multiple times per year, or you spend longer periods of time abroad? Holafly now offers a new subscription-based eSIM called Holafly Monthly Plans. This is made specifically for frequent travelers, and it makes staying connected across multiple countries way easier. Instead of buying individual eSIMs for every trip, Holafly monthly plans allow you to install just one eSIM on your phone, pay a fixed monthly fee, and instantly get coverage in over 170 destinations around the globe. There are multiple different plan types based on your data needs. Looking at their top plan compared to other competitors in this space, it looks incredibly competitive, and it brings to the table all the things Holafly already does well. You get coverage in more countries, first of all. You get unlimited data that you can also share with all your devices. No caps and no need to worry about top-ups. Finally, you can cancel any time and your plan will remain active till your current paid month ends. Okay, so who is this plan for? Well, I would say just like any of the methods we've discussed in this video, your situation is personal to you, and really what you'll need to do is do the math and kind of run the break even on which one is the best deal. But some use cases I could think of. Let's say you've got a month-long trip coming up, or maybe you have several different international trips this summer, all kind of close together. I think Holafly's monthly plans could be a brilliant option for you. Just like before, you can use the code AWAYTOGETHER for a discount, only this time you'll get 10% off on Holafly's monthly plans. I really hope this video was helpful to you. And hey, if you want to know my top recommended travel apps that you need to install before your next international trip, check out this video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy travels.